Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 55. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here. We've got a 3 here, so that makes this our 5, 3, 5. And that 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this bottom row now, we're just missing a 1. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, that makes this our 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this top row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got the 6 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. And for this row, we're missing 1 and 6. So that means we can just plug in here. So if we say this is the 1, that makes this our 6, 1, and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.